motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video this morning with the Pull-Up King. Alright, we got a 2019 Chevy Malibu. Got our spark plugs, AC Deco, Iridium, and part number. We want to take off the engine cover. Got a bolt here. Get an Allen key. That is. So you can use a T30 for that as well. Coil packs, take those out. 10 mil, 4 of them. Got those out. 4 bolts. So I got a 14 mil on there. Extension. Break that loose. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. All 4 of them. Plugs, got the sleeves on it, got these Iridium, they already pre-gapped, don't have to worry about gapping, we just put them right in. These are old ones. Back in. Anti-seize, put it on the threads, do not put it on the tip. It keeps it from seizing from the engine block. Stuck in there. Got them all in there. We're gonna go ahead and tighten them down. Finger tight. So you don't cross thread them. That'll be a problem. Major work. Now go ahead and tighten them down. Go ahead and add your coil packs. Got them all in. We go ahead and put everything back together. I'm gonna just take it for a test drive and make sure everything's good. But that's pretty much it, man. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be back at y'all with another one. Pull up, King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.